Okay, having completed the lesson, let's try out a real past question here. JAMB 2019. Simplify 213 base 4 times 23 base 4. So let's quickly do that. That is multiplication in different number base other than 10. So let me arrange my numbers. 2, 1, 3, 23. All of them in base 4. So let's start. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 is more than the base. We cannot write it here. So we do 9 over 4 to give us what? 2 remainder 1. So we write the remainder 1 and carry what? 2. We do 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is more than the base. We can't write it here. So we do 5 divided by the base. That will be 1 remainder 1. We write the remainder 1 and carry 1. 3 times 2, 6, plus the 1 we carried, 7. 7 is more than the base. We cannot write it here. So we do 7 divided by the base, which is 1 remainder 3. So we write the remainder 3, carry 1. There's nothing to add the 1 to here, so we simply bring it down. Now we move on to the next number 2 here. 2 times 3, 6. We cannot write 6 here. 6 is more than the base. So we do 6 over 4. 6 over 4 is what? 1 remainder 2. So we're going to write the remainder, which is 2. And carry what? 1. Carry 1. And then we do 2 times 1 is 2. Plus the 1 we carried, 3. So we write 3 here. Then we do again 2 times 2, 4. You know 3 is less than the base. 2 times 2, 4. 4 is equal to the base. So 4 over 4 means what? 1 remainder 0. 2 times 2, 4. So we write the remainder, which is 0, and carry 1. There's nothing to add the 1 to, so we bring it down here. And then we add that. 1 plus nothing, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. We can write 6 here. We say 6 divided by 4, 1 remainder 2. So we write the remainder, which is what? 2, and carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1 plus that 1 we carry 2. We bring down 1 here. So that's how to do that addition. And our answer is D, base 4. So that's how to do that. Then another way to do this, if you cannot do the multiplication directly, another way to do this is to convert everything to base 10 first. 13 base 4 times 23 base 4. Another way to do this is first convert all this to base 10. So let's start with 213 base 4 to convert it to base 10. 0, 1, 2. So this will be 2 times 4 raised to the power of 2 plus 1 times 4 raised to the power of 1 plus what? 3 times 4 raised to the power of 0. And this equals to what? 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So we write 32 here plus 1 times 4 is 4. 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Which equals to 32 plus 34 is 36 plus 3, 39 base 10. So 213 base 4 equals to what? 39 base 10. Let's convert 23 base 4 to base 10 as well. 3 base 4, this is 0 and 1. So this will be 2 times 4 raised to the power of 1 plus 3 times 4 raised to the power of 0. 2 times 4 is 8. 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1 times 3, 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 base 10. So now so that means 213 base 4 times 23 base 4 is the same thing as saying what? 39 base 10 times what? 11 base 10. And when you do that multiplication, when you do that multiplication, 39 times 11, that's 429. That's what? 429 base 10. But remember, your answer should be what? In base 4. So we are going to reconvert 429 back to base 4 to see which option is going to match with here. To see which option is going to match with there. Okay. Let me take a new page and do that conversion. 429. Oh, this my line it's not good. It's better. Okay. So we want to convert it to base 4. So we use 4 to divide all this. 4 divide 4 here, 1. 4 divide 2 cannot. 4 divide 29. 4 divide 29 7 times. Excuse me. Let me really confirm that. 429 divided by 4. Okay. So 4 divide 4, 1. And then divide 2 cannot, when you join 0 to 2, it becomes 20. 4 divide 4, 1. 4 divide 2 cannot. You add 0 here, then add 0 to 2, it becomes 20. 4 divide 4, 1. 4 divide 2 cannot. You put 0 here, and then combine 2 with 9. So it becomes 29. Combine 2 with 9, it becomes 29. So 4 divide 29 7 times. That's 28, remainder 1. So we use 4 again. 4 divide 10. 4 divide 10, how many times? 2 times. 2 times remainder 2. You join that 2 with 7, that's 27. 4 divide 27, how many times? That will be 24, that will be 6 times. 6 times, which is 24. Remainder 3. So we use 4 again. 4 divide 26, how many times? That's 6 times. Divide it 6 times, remainder 2. 4 divide 6, 1. Remainder 2. 4 divide 1, 0 times. Remainder 1. So you take your reading from bottom to top. Take your reading from bottom to top. So 429 base 10 is equivalent to what? 1, 2, 2, 3, 1 base 4, which still aligns with our answer D. So you see, if you go through conversion of base 10 method, base conversion method, it takes a bit longer time. It takes a longer time compared to if you know how to do the multiplication directly in that same base. Okay, thank you.